Another great practice that's going to help you with your channel planning and your channel naming and set up your channel, but also the type of videos that you might want to create too, is to analyze your competition, right? And really understand your competition. All businesses are aware and look at their competition. Now, you're not going to copy the competition, not going to copy them word for word, but you're going to use it for inspiration. The most important thing, and the number one thing, is that you be you, right? You are unique, you are an individual, your offers and your style is all unique. So when in doubt, just be you, but you can get ideas from analyzing the competition. Ideas such as the channel name. What type of channel names are they using in your niche, in your market? What are some of the channel names out there? How are they doing it? What type of branding are they using? Is it something similar that you might want to use? Or if you're starting from completely from scratch, how might you want to develop your branding from the bottom up? As I mentioned, what type of videos do they make? Are they making screen share videos where they're showing how to, you use a software product, for example? Are there videos outside, like showing like dog training? Or are they more like talking head type videos like this kind of video? So look at the type of videos and the variety of videos. I'm going to show you later how to look up, what videos that your competition might have that are the most popular videos. And so you'll be able to do that in the upcoming lesson where we look at some competition examples coming up, and I'm going to show you how to look and see, well, what are their most popular videos, so you can start thinking, is that makes sense for maybe videos that might be similar, yet slightly different than the competition. Also looking at your competition's titles and thumbnails. Titles is, of course, what you name your video, for example, and thumbnail is simply the picture that's associated with the video. So if your picture has a shark on it and your video is, I swam with sharks, or whatever, you get an idea if you're in the, shark swimming business. Also, there's a thing called, as you're probably familiar with, is playlists, where they're creating, groups of content that people can kind of consume in order, or consume a group of content, maybe 5, 10, 15, maybe even up to 20, 30, 100 videos, where they're kind of grouped together, and you can kind of think about that grouping too. Think again like dog training, for example. Maybe you have dog toys, and then you have dog food, and then you have dog training tips, and it's all, those are 3 different big playlists of a variety of videos that are organized that way. And then you look at your competition to see how often are they uploading videos, how often are they posting videos, is the idea too. And think, again, that's how often you do is up to you. And YouTube can be a grind at times, so you want to kind of manage that with your overall business. But you can look at the competition and see kind of what they're doing too. And maybe there's opportunity in there where you're able to post more often and better quality content than, let's say, your competition is. So there's some thoughts around competition. So what we're going to do next is we're going to analyze a couple of channels. We're going to look at a couple of channels. One's going to be a product-based channel, and one's going to be a service-based channel. I'm going to walk right through those channels and walk right through how to analyze your competition. So no matter what niche that you're in, you can do the same thing and start gathering information around analyzing your competition. And it's good to look at some of the top 5 to maybe top 10 competitors and start getting an idea. But in the end, remember, you want to be yourself. But analyzing the competition can give you a lot of thoughts and ideas in this first phase when we're starting to plan out our channel.